Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. My name is Rahab. You can call me Ray if you like. Now today we are going to do some simple braids like the ones you can see I have on my head. So if you want to know how to do them, join me. Now as you can see, my hair is semi-straightened, and today I'll be using the fluffy kinky braid number 27. That is the closest I could get to my hair color, and let me tell you, these things are amazing. So yeah, fluffy kinky number 27. So I'm gonna put some music and then I'll fast forward, and hope you'll get the concept. It's actually simple. So yeah. So this is day 2 of the whole process, and I did set the hair off the camera, and I just love the results. It's really good. I haven't completely finished the whole stuff, but I have to set the tips of the braid. They're kind of sharp, so I'm gonna use a string and just wrap it around the braid and then pull it to make some nice curls. And then I'll use hot water, dip the tips in the water for like 2 minutes, and yeah, you have the beautiful curls. So let's see how it comes out. So this is the final part, and yeah, nothing much to say, but it all came out nice. Add some beads here and there. That's it. Bye.